Your behavior is very shocking. The manner in which you behaved yourself after the death of Senzo Meyiwa.
Madlala uqale waphekwa ngemibuzo mayelana nesamba semali asithole ngemva kokuba ingxenye yohlelo lweNetflix olwalikhuluma ngokubulawa kukaMeyiwa. Madlala wakhokhelwa izithombe zakhe noMeyiwa ayihlinzeka abeNetflix kanti ubuzwe ukuthi kungani engazange ahlukanisa le mali nomfelokazi kaMeyiwa kanye nomama wakhe.
The mother of the deceased, did you give her anything, any portion from this money that you benefited from Netflix?
Ngizomnika kanjani umuntu angangikhulumisi? Besides ke angicabanga ngalokho, even nokuthiwa ngicabangela ngizomnika kanjani umuntu angangikhulumisi because ngibingelelwa ngavuma.
Madlala uvumile ukuthi akazange abhekisise umuntu okuthiwa wangena kuqala endlini ngenxa yokuthi wayephethe isibhamu.
Kunzima ukubuka umuntu kanje ephethe isikhala akukhulula because awazi yini azoyenza next.
Don't look at him directly, that's what was said.
Yebo.
The interpreter did not look at him directly.
That's correct.
Oh, thank you.
Madlala uphinde wavuma ukuthi incazelo yesibhamu ebhalwe estatementeni sakhe ayilona iqiniso ngoba akazange abhekisise isibhamu.
You saw that it was a firearm but you couldn't see that it was old and rusted.
Futhi azangikwazi ukubona ukuthi sidala sikukile futhi sirusile kodwa wakwazi ukubona ukuthi
in other words, you couldn't see the detail of that firearm because you slightly looked at that firearm.
Ngamanye amagama akwazi bazange ukwazi ukubona inqukaqa zonke ama details wonke ngalesibhamu ngokuthi umbheke ngokutshontsha nje. Yes.
Thank you.
Ngemva kwekhefu lasemini ijaji lithethise abeindaba ngemva kokuthi kuvezwe ubuso bukaMadlala ku television yize ijaji lakhipha umyalelo ukuthi akufanele kuvezwe ubuso bakhe. Ijaji ebelithukuthele eligane onwabo libe selibakhomba indlela bonke abeindaba lathi ababuye kusasa nencazelo.
Is it not known who it is? Because if it is known, not known, then all media should get out now. They will sort it out overnight. Tomorrow they will come telling us who it is, and then maybe some of them will come back in.
Yes, yeah.
We are not to sacrifice time for trial because of people who want to go sensational at the expense of the lives of other people.
Leli cala lizoqhubeka kusasa.